As of 2014, the Earth Policy Institute estimated 1 trillion single-use plastic bags are used every year, nearly 2 million per minute. A plastic bag takes 400 to 1,000 years to break down in a landfill. The issues on plastic waste are rapidly expanding through everyday consumption. As a response to this environmental issue, Jojet Mondares, a plastic bag artist, uses it as his medium of his artworks. It started in 2007. His advocacy was to reach out people through his artwork and also helping the community to reduce, reuse, and recycle. As a part of his advocacy, Plastic Bag Art Caravan, he shares his talent as he travels around the country. He recently conducted the caravan in San Mateo, Isabela at San Mateo National High School. He shared two techniques. One is kids technique. This technique uses plastic bags, tapes, and bond paper. The idea of this technique is using plastic bags as substitute artwork material. Plastic bags provide color to a certain pattern. Second is fusing. It uses plastic bags, plywood, and flat iron, colliding the plastic bags using flat iron as an adhesive material. Mauricio Valenzuela shares his experience.
Ako po ay sumali sa workshop na ito sapagkat simula't-simula pa lang, one of my advocacy is to eliminate waste. Girl Scout, namulat ako na dapat ang ating lipunan ay malaya sa anumang basurang nakakasira rito. Ang workshop na ito ay nakakatulong sapagkat iminulat ako na may mga bagay na hindi natin napapansin. Pero kung pagtutuunan lang ng mas matamang pag-iisip, nakakabuo tayo ng isang napakagandang produkto out of plastics.
Ronilo Lucas, the principal of San Mateo National High School, voluntarily offers the school for the venue of the said workshop because he believes this workshop will help the community in promoting zero plastic waste as the schools also promoting.
Plastic Bag Art Workshop ay hinanap sa ating paaralan sapagkat ito ay naayon sa advocacy ng school tungkol sa ecological solid waste management.
Through this, people will be more creative and innovative citizens. They can express their emotions, bring up their creativity, and play with their imaginations while preserving the environment. This is Lloyd Agustin, Shareable News TV.